Welcome to the Builders Fashion Club, where all the magic happens. I'm just going to do a quick presentation about the new affiliate program that's on fire right now, where you can make a 25% commission for each sale that you do make. Let me just go ahead and show you some of the products that we do have available for the making. So we got all the products here. We got over 500 products. We got kitchen supplies, clothing, right? These are dresses for women. We got jewelry. Let me go ahead and show you. So basically how this works is that a lot of people have been asking, what is an affiliate program? How does it work? So basically an affiliate program is a program where you'll be able to sell products and make a commission out of it, right? So let me go ahead and show you how it works right here. So right here, as you can see, right, you sign up for free as an affiliate, right? You go right here where it says store affiliate, you can register. Once you register, you become an affiliate. If you're using your phone, on your right hand side, you're gonna see what it says menu. Click on that. You're gonna see store affiliate, just register. Once you register, just give it 24 hours because you will get approved. Once you get approved, just make sure you keep an eye on your email because you will see another email between 24 hours that you got approved. Now once you get approved, you're gonna have your own personal link, right? There's gonna be basically the website you're gonna be using to make your sales in. Let me show you. Once they click on your link, right? Once they click on your link and they buy a product off of your link, you make a 25% commission for each sale. It's that simple, guys. So now let me show you. So we got women's dresses. We got how can I say, gym supplies. We can work out from home. We got wall stickers, kitchen supplies. And you make a 25% commission off of each thing that you do sell. This was just going to be a quick video just to let you guys know that you can just become an affiliate for free. Just give it 24 hours once you register. Let me click right here so you can see how it looks when you come to register. God is good, guys. God is good. This is something that it's good to, if you right now you are out of work and you want to start working from home, just register. It's free to become an affiliate. You make a 25% commission off of each sale. It's a no-brainer, right? So right here, you just put your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email, and your address, right? And down here, you put down, write a little bit about how you're gonna be selling the products. If you have a website, you can put your website on there. If you use a company name, put it on there, and just hit submit registration. The email is gonna get sent out, and then you just give it 24 hours, so that you get approved. Once you get approved, you fill out the other information. That's gonna be that way you connect your PayPal. So you don't have a PayPal, make sure you get a PayPal because that's the way you're gonna get paid, through PayPal. And it's that simple, guys. You're gonna have your own personal link that you're gonna share with your friends, families, and those on social media. Just make sure that you don't spam it, where you just be sharing your link over and over and over again. If you keep sharing your link over and over again, what's gonna happen is you're gonna get blocked from using that link. So you want to make sure that you only share that link with people that is asking for the product or people that you do know that won't block you from using that link. All right, guys. So that you don't want a red flag on your link. So it's that simple, guys. You become an affiliate. You start selling these products that's on here, and once you sell these products, you make a 25% commission. You get paid every Friday. Every Friday, you get paid your 25% commission for each product that you sell. It all adds up. Trust me, it adds up. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm making a living out of this. All right, guys. So God bless. Hopefully, everybody's having a blessed day, and shalom.